Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lulu, Chef Mashko. By the way, guys, I've got something for you. This is my menu right now. Actually, this is my lunch and dinner. So I'm gonna add some rice on it. So this is what we call corned beef. Okay? That is the corned beef. And then, actually, ang ginawa ko, dapat adobo pero ginawa ko ngayon, this time guys, it's ginataang corned beef. Alright? So, medyo yung sauce niya, nag-soak na dun sa ampalaya and patatas. So, this time, I added ampalaya and then patatas, potato, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng chili. So, meron siyang gata na yung mix. So, sinama ko yun. Kanina kasi marami yung sabaw pero this time nag-soak na siya. Soak into to vegetable. That's why it came like this. By the way, guys, ang sarap, promise. Natikman nung mga friends ko rito. Sabi niya, Tita Lulu, niya ako mamaya. Sabi ko, sige. Pero konti lang niluto ko para lang sa dalawa to or tatlo. Pero pwede rin. Pwede ko naman din silang bigyan. Guys, promise, I don't know, maybe I'm so lucky. I've got a gift from Almighty God and from my parents. Yung lasa talaga, tama si Monica Herrera. Meron akong amazing touch. Anything I cook, laging superb. Nalaman niya, nilang mga kaopisina ko sila, Olivia, sa hotel, lahat sila, maski anak ni Sir Carlo, sila Ma'am Jen, sila Kurt, sa hotel, sila Gerald, marami sila, lahat natikman yun, ang sarap. Tapos si Sir Rupert, sa real estate, si Ma'am Joanna, lahat, marami, si DJ, and then, pati mga classmates ko, natikman na rin sina, lahat, even my partner, si Papa Chris, he likes it, kahit sino. Kahit anong i-serve ko, guys, nagugustuhan nila, I don't know, maybe thanks for your comments na masarap talaga. Promise, guys. Alam mo ano yan? Corned beef lang yan. Actually, guys, may nakita nga akong vlog Imagine, tinolang manok, itlog lang. Kasi, guys, sa panahon ngayon, pandemic, hindi na natin kailangan, ang importante, masarap yung food, may lasa, malinis pagkakaluto. Hindi na kailangan yung mga expensive na yung mga seasoning, kung ano-ano pa. Alam mo, maski si chef, si Simple, pati yung si chef na partner ni Ann Curtis, si Erwan, grabe, ang ganda rin ng mga luto niya. Yung mga lumpia niya, may lumpiang corned beef din. Siguro gagawin ko yung mga lumpia. Tsaka yung breakfast na sinabi ko, guys. Di ba may sinabi kong breakfast na yung Filipino, para yung may mga partner na, alam mo na foreigner, ma-appreciate. Actually, na-appreciate naman nila yung food ng Pilipinas Okay? So, that is my drinks. Alright? So, that's a water only, guys. And then, this is my fruits. Pineapple, grapes, and then, pakwan, watermelon. So, guys, I love fruits, actually. Yeah. So, that's my, plants. Plantita ko nandun. Guys, ang ganda ng plants ko. Tingnan mo. Here you go. That's my plants. Ganda, diba? So, yan yung plants ko. And then, yung red wine. And then, bigay ni Vivian, yung cup, teacup. And then, yung halaman ko ulit. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa yung isa. Ayan. Okay? And that is my water. Guys, I want you to look at this. My music. That is Step Band. Alright? Listen. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Promise. Lahat ng mga music niya, so classy, romantic, may konting, alam mo na, konting sexy yung sounds. Pero grabe, everything is so cool, lovely, and I love it. Promise, I really love it. That is step B. And then the title is a road deep. And then the title of that music is To Hold On. It's a mix. So almost 1 hour yan, guys. Ang ganda niyan, promise. Kaya pag nakikinig ako nito, almost like 3 hours, 6 hours maski house music, okay? So guys, yeah, like what I said, I would like to, to congratulate the government, or I'm sure patuloy pa rin. Sana guys, yung mga gumagawa na intriga, no, whether Duterte ka man or hindi, siguro be part of the solution na lang tayo. Whether politics ka na, whether nasa politics ka na, whether celebrities ka, whether ordinary, I guess, magkaisa na lang lahat tayo, guys. Guys, kasi para sa atin din to para sa future ng children's natin. Kahit single ako, para sa mga pamangking ko, mga anak nila, mga apo namin. Siguro, guys, we just do our best na like what I'm keep on telling. Buti nga si Willie. Shout out to Willie. He knows me. Willie Revillame. He's my client before sa Shanghala. And then, every time we see, sabi niya sa akin, hindi niya nga raw kailangan ng membership dahil nga, that was long time ago, 2000. Kasi nga, di ba, libre pa siya nun sa channel to, nasa presidential suite. Alam mo si Willie, bilib ako guys Talagang binibenta niya mga luxury cars niya para lang makatulong sa mga tao. Hindi kaya bangan yun. It's a good example ng mga rich people. They're giving their money, their effort, their treasure, yung kuning mga importanteng gamit nila. Imagine guys, bihira yung ganung tao. Promise. Bihira yun. Sana, I hope, Willie, one of these days, if I see you, talagang I would like to congratulate you. Ang galing mo. Pati yung mga ibang celebrities. And then yung mga nawalan ng bahay, nawalan ng family, nawalan lahat, I hope and I'll pray na maayos din lahat with Almighty God. Siguro, we need to continue our self, like being kind, being nice. Talaga totoo yan guys. Kahit yung mga magulang ko ay sinasabi sa akin, sabi, anak, pagpatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo, kung ano man yan, yung pagiging, pasensyosa ko, loving ko, mabait ako. Minsan mataray din ako. Kasi, mga natutunan ko guys, tatlo lang naman tinuro ni Sir Robert tatlo lang ang i-cope up ng mind natin. 1, pagbibigyan mo muna. 2, pagbibigyan mo ulit. 3, pag hindi na, well, you need to decide kung ano yung makakabuti sa both parties, okay? So, all I want, guys, maski negative, I want to turn out to positive. Because I love myself, I love my family, I love my friends, and I'm wishing that, the government right now, maayos na sana yung lahat ng mga gulo. Kasi, naano rin ako kay Mr. Duterte. Although maganda, honestly hindi ako against kay Duterte. Hindi rin ako galit at hindi rin ako pabor na pabor. Pero nakikita ko siya as a president, ang galing niya. Ang galing niya talaga guys. Parang style Marcos siya na I don't know, sana na lang guys, kung sino man yung nakaupo, whether sa US, I mean, we just move on, forget everything. Para lang sa kinabukasan nating lahat at magiging anak at anak pa natin, di ba? So guys, I'm getting hungry now. Promise, I'm going back here sa luto ko. This is really yummy. This is a corned beef with coconut. Actually, yung ginataang nilang mix yan Kaya lang nag-soak na yung niya, yung sauce niya. So, ito na yung kinalabasan. Pero promise guys, when you try this, you will love it. Promise, talaga. So, this is another, pasensya na kayo sa background point of no return. So, ang ganda rin, di ba? Alright? So, guys, that's my fruits. I love fruits, I love vegetable, grapes, pineapple. Guys, kung sino gusto order ng Biko, nandun lang yun. Kindly click the button. Kindly subscribe. Guys, pag nag-subscribe kayo, tapos dumami na yung ko, alam ko naman kung sino yung mag-subscribe. Sasabihan naman ako yun, ipipm ako. Guys, if I get lots of subscribers, likes, good comments, guys, ako, mahilig ako mamigay talaga, promise. Alam niyan, maski mga fruits, pagkain ko. Kanina nga meron dito, binigyan ko pa yung babae. Nahuli siya. Ako, something happened dun sa car, tsaka sa Grab. Yung mama nga, grabe, siningil pa. Hindi nanawa dun sa girl. Pero pinacify ko na lang siya. Sabi ko, ate, sige, text me. Tulungan kita, magbenta ka lang ng Biko. Mababawi mo yung binayad mo dun sa mama. So, hindi ko rin ma-blame pero marami nagsasabing neighbor dito, sana man lang di na pinagbayad yung Grab girl. Hayaan mo na yun, Ate Jen. Anyway, God knows naman what we're doing right now eh. Basta do good to others lang and to yourself. Alright? So, paano guys? I'm getting hungry. Maybe later I'm gonna eat some rice. And then, I love you guys. Always take care. Appreciate what we've got right now. Mga bata, magluto kayo nito ah. Corn beef lang yan. Tapos ampalaya and patatas. Ano yan ha? Ginataang corn beef. Sayang wala na yung soup. Ang ganda niyan eh. Okay? So, paano guys? I love you. Have a lovely day. And always take care. Love yourself. Love your parents. Love your family. Love your friends. Para lahat yung mag-reciprocate. Okay? I love you guys. I'm getting hungry. Bon appetit. Hasta la vista, baby. See you on my next vlog again. Okay? Mwah.